Consonant, digraph, A consonant digraph is a combination of two or more consonants having one sound. Initial, shell, sheen, sheep, shoes. Final, fish, dish, cash, sash. Read other words with consonant digraph. She, shop, shop, shut, shout, show, shut, should, shun. Final, rush, rush, wash, lash, bash, dash, wish, push.